Welcome to my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Insurance, car insurance, health insurance, life insurance, disabilities, long-term care insurance. The successful insurance agent always stay informed on how he or she can improve themselves both personally and professionally. In these days of fast-paced lifestyle and the quickly disappearing face-to-face communication styles of doing business, the professional has to adapt. First, your personal good health is an important component to the success of your business. Second, I'll present some proven business and customer satisfaction strategies that will guarantee you a thriving business and continued success for the future. Taking care of your personal health is very often overlooked. The daily life of the professional is fraught with burnout and responsibilities. Many of us juggle on a daily basis the demand of family, parenting, and other essential duties. Even the regular duties of getting the dog to the other essential duties. Even the regular duties of getting the dog to the vet, grocery shopping, and paying the bills. The name a few can become great tasks. Eventually, we are going to get burnout, and possibly there are strategies to keeping a healthy mind, a body. Start having a social life outside of work. Just like your daily to-do list at work, start planning a social to-do list. In other words, don't forget to have some fun. Listen to your favorite music for a few minutes each day. Take in a concert or musical affair. Go out to dinner occasionally. Exercise. Start going to the gym or fitness club. A healthy physical body will give the hardworking professional the energy needed to be both highly productive and active socially. Go for a short walk in your neighborhood. Get some fresh air and breathe. Manage your time wisely. Poor time management can be costly. Missing appointments or being late never looks good. The client time is just as valued as yours. Aside from these tips to stay healthy physically, don't forget your mental health. Be sure to take regular breaks away from your desk. The phone, the laptop, or anything else keeping you chained to your desk. So you might ask, what does this mean for me? Many studies have shown that productivity levels significantly decrease for the professional that doesn't take time for fun, a social life, rest, and exercise. If you become both physically and mentally weary, your customers are going to notice. Many professionals are keenly aware of this saying. Presentation is everything. When you present yourself to a potential client, be it on the phone or in person, it's important to be at your best. I don't know about you, but I would definitely rethink associating with any professional that was unkempt in appearance or tired and sluggish in communications with me. It's very difficult to convince your potential clients to accept your advice to stay healthy When you appear physically ill yourself, be a role model of what you're trying to sell. Now that you have some vital information to help you stay personally healthy, let's examine some strategies to keep your business thriving and profitable. Profitable. Continuing education. Many professional associations offer continuing education workshops, seminars, or classes. If you are not a member of a group or organization in your field, then look into class and intuition of higher learning. It is imperative that you keep up to date of the latest news or information regarding the type of insurance you provide. Don't forget class in human psychology can go a long way in providing you an advantage to understanding your customer better. Network. Experienced agents know that aligning themselves with a company that will appreciate their skills is much. Building a customer base with a reliable and strong company that can bring the clients to is valuable. Your reputation as an experienced, brilliant, and self-assured insurance agent will guarantee a successful business and many good leads for clients. The psychology of it all, building a relationship with your customers, is integral to your success as an insurance professional. People want quality service. They rely on you to guide them into making the best decisions around their insurance coverage needs. If they don't trust that you know what you are doing, remember the continued education and how you present yourself. They will not buy anything you have to offer. How can we gain their trust? First and foremost, if you have been informed of a potential client looking for insurance, contact them immediately. As mentioned earlier, people want quality service. A quickly return phone call set a good first impression. This action alone tells your customer you care about their needs and interest their inquiry. Next, following through with what you promise in a timely manner. For example, if you state you will get back to them in 48 hours on a matter, then return your call within the time. Be sure you are giving them the appropriate and best advice you can. Obviously, I can't stress the educational component enough in the article. None of us know the answer to everything, and it's acceptable to say, I don't know to a client's question. Let them know that you will find the answer. A well-informed and experienced insurance agent that is genuinely attentive to their clients' best interests and communicate that effectively will have a successful business.